Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add certifications or certificates on your LinkedIn profile. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you do that, on the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Then there's your profile right below your username. Once you tap on that, on the screen you can see Open to Add Section, Enhance Profiles option right below your profile name. Now you have to select Add Section. Once you tap on Add Sections, you can see there are three options: Core, Recommended, and Additional. You have to select Recommended and tap on Add Licenses and Certifications. And guys, there you have to give your details like your name, your issuing organization, issue date, expiration date, credential ID, and credential URL. You can also add your skills or media. And guys, that's it. That's how you add certification to your LinkedIn profile. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.